I have boo-boo on here. You have a boo-boo? How'd you get a boo-boo? You need to have hot chocolate? I thought you were going to help Daddy build the igloo.
Yeah, I was wanting to do that. I mean, you can go up more, but not this way.
She's lost her mind. Daddy, are you there? Julie Bean, save Monica! Save her! She's lost her mind! She's lost her mind! Save her! Yeah, yeah, and you're rolling. You're coming? Come on, Julie Bean!
Neat, that's good. I need hot water.
You're like a little mole.
It's getting on her face.
A little head pushing plane.
Need help?
Oh, Kendall just threw a snowball at you. Come on. Help her. Pull, yeah, pull. Just make sure it doesn't get on her shirt. Up like that. Is it good? Up. Bye down.
Sorry, mine are freezing.
Oh my God. How you doing it? Oh my God! Oh no!
Here, give it to me. I'll blow it off. Just blow it off.
There you go, honey. Now say hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh.
Put snow in here. We're trying to get snow out.
She's throwing a snowball at you, Daddy.
Another snow big box.
You're silly.
Guess he's gonna dig through here.
By the way, hold on. Scoop it out. Put that later. Put that, kiddo. Have your dad get out of here.
So over here, that this far. See.
When snowballs start throwing at me, I like throw a shovel over just stuff at people.
Snowball.
I will tickle you. I'm gonna find Juliet. Hold on. Find Juliet. There's Julie Bean. Die!
Was he Daddy?
Well, he hasn't cut through yet.
He has.
Oh, he has?
Yeah, we got three.
As long as that don't fall on me, I'm good. Look- Oh my God. That's probably sticking about a foot off the roof.
Daddy, I have my shovel. I can't get up here.
You want me to put you up there?
Yeah, because I don't have my shovel to do that.
You don't have your shovel to do that?
Yeah.
And you want to climb up there?
Took it.
All right, ready?
Daddy took it.
Daddy took your shovel, your pink one.
Yeah.
All right, can you get up there? Climb. Climb. Look at me. Smile.
Mommy.
Look at me, though. Stupid!
Hold me.
You gonna go inside and warm up your hands?
No. Hold it. Hold it.
You wanna get up there?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm the bear. I love ice cold.
You love snow cones? Why? Well, I'm not holding you. You got snow all over you. All in your pockets?
Ah,
Look at this. We found the snake. Okay, come on.
Snake.
Yeah, there's your snake. Come on. If you want to get up here, let's go. Yeah. Doggy's got to go somewhere. All right, ready?
Get up.
You gonna get up? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Get there, sissy. You gotta climb. Climb up there, Jelly Bean. Just don't fall over there. Jelly Bean, look at mommy. Kiddo, Juliet, look at mommy and smile.
I'm at Snow Cone Rock.
You're at Snow Cone Rock?
Yeah.
Oh, look at how cute. You're very cute. Cheese. Kendall, smile and say cheese. Cheese. Oh, that's a good one. I love it. Good job. And the sun's going down, which means it's all going to freeze over soon. What you see, Kendall?
Just snow on that bed. Too
Snow?
much.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow, huh?
Whoa.
Don't you climb over that fence. Where are you going?
Mommy,
What?
she hold me.
You gotta come over here.
She holding me.
Of course I can. Come on. I can't climb over there. You gotta come here. I don't have gloves on. Come here. Crawl. Crawl. You got snow on your face.
I'm Mommy's house.
Well, come here and I'll get you one. Do I need to get the sled?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the sled.